Hi Kuya Dan, medyo mahaba itong message ko so babasahin ko na lang para wala akong makalimutan. I know this is a very special day for you and I'm so thankful that the Lord has blessed you with 70 years of His goodness and faithfulness. It makes me appreciate even more the gift of having you with us. Although it's painful that Daddy, Mommy, and Ate Ruth were taken home much sooner than we expected, I find peace naman in knowing that they are now forever rejoicing in the presence of the Lord. Anyway, since birthday mo ngayon, may konting trivia ako about you. Una, para sa kaalaman po ng lahat, si Kuya Dan ang taong ayaw na makakausap ng taong mayabang. Naiinis po talaga yan. Umiinit po talaga ang ulo niyan. Buti na lang na-save na po yan at marami na pong binago sa Lord. Pangalawa, sa aming magkakapatid, si Kuya Dan po ang laging handang sumubok ng bago. He has never been afraid to step out of his comfort zone, explore familiar places, and embrace every opportunity that comes his way. Kaya hindi nakakapagtaka po na nasa Canada siya at kami ay nasa Pinas. Pero behind that character, may kahinaan ng loob din po yan si kuya ko. Pagdating sa emotions, well, hindi maikakaila na may blood of Zamora talaga ang kuya ko. Medyo mababaw po ang luha. Pangatlo, syempre hindi ko rin makakalimutan na ang kuya ko na yan ay laging maraming cash sa bulsa. Ewan ko kung bakit. During my elementary days, makapal po ang bulsa niyan. May 10 pesos, 20, 50, hundreds. Of course, during those time, wala pa pong 1,500. Pero napakakapal po ng nasa bulsa niya. Hindi po yan nawawala ng cash sa bulsa. Kaya syempre, bilang bunso, may lambing, kuya, pahingi ng baon. So, feeling ko kasi ang yaman-yaman niya during my elementary days. Pero ngayon, syempre, mas yayamanin yan. Kasi wala na yung cash. More of credit card nang makikita mo sa wallet niyan. So, ganyan talaga pag nasa Lord. Faithful si God to bless us. Pero syempre, gusto ko rin bigyang pugay ang taong naging katuwang ni Kuya sa lahat ng mga taon na to. Ate Tala, maraming salamat sa pagtsatsaga sa kuya ko. Joke lang. Pero sa totoo lang, thank you for loving him so faithfully. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal, pag-aalaga at suporta sa patuloy mong binibigay kay Kuya Dan. We are truly grateful for the wonderful wife that you are. And lastly, Kuya, I want you to know how much I appreciated you during my childhood days. I still remember how thoughtful you were to me. In what way? Well, I don't know if you still remember this, kung maaalala mo pa. Pero ako, hinding-hindi ko makakalimutan na may mga umaga na lagi mo akong binibilhan ng chocolate. Kaya dumarating na si kuya na naglalako at sumisigaw ng, "Ay, Magnolia, alam ko na agad na may isang bote na naman akong Chocovim." Yes, shout out po sa mga nakaabot ng Chocovim bago to naging Magnolia Chocolate. And that simple act of thoughtfulness, Kuya, gave me memories that I always cherish. And I'm truly grateful for it. Anyhow, time flies so fast. We're all grown up now and we have families of our own. I have witnessed how the Lord change and transform you from glory to glory. How He has molded and shaped you into a wonderful husband to Ate Tala, devoted father kay Ryan at Nikki, and of course, a very loving and spoiler lolo to Iyo. Nothing more could I ask for than to say, Lord, thank you. Thank you for continually protecting you and your family, for blessing you abundantly, and for allowing those blessings to overflow, not only to your family, to us, but also to the people around you. My prayer for you, Kuya, is that you will never grow weary of serving the Lord and that your life will continue to reflect His goodness and grace. May you keep pursuing Christ wholeheartedly, allowing Him to shape you in the best version of yourself for His glory. So, on behalf of Chong, Chastine, Jervis, and Joseph, from the bottom of my heart, Kuya, thank you so much for everything. I'm always here for you whenever you need me, and I'm always be your bunso. I love you so much.
Hi, greetings from Manila, Philippines.
Hi, Kuya Dan. Happy 70th birthday. Sana'y masaya ka sa special na araw na ito at lahat ay nag-enjoy. Now that you're 70, you should take care of yourself more and stay healthy. Though alam namin na maayos ng buhay niyo dyan ngayon, syempre may mga pangarap ka rin na gusto matupad. At yan ang dalangin namin na sana'y matupad. Be here and enjoy your special day.
Hi, Kuya Dan. Happy 70th birthday. We wish you all the best, good health, and more blessings to come. Bye.
Bye!
Hi Tito Dan, maligayang kaarawan. Dalangin namin ang iyong mabuting kalusugan at sana mas matagumpay ka pa sa iyong buhay. Again, happy 70th birthday. Enjoy your special day.
Hi Kuya Dan! Happy 70th birthday to you. Una sa lahat ay nagpapasalamat ako kasi safe and sound kayong nakarating ni Ate Kala dyan sa Canada. And my prayer and wish for you, para sa amin ni Richard, on your day, ikabiyayaan ni Lord ng pagpapala sa kalusugan mo, na maging healthy ka, maging fit ka palagi. Pangalawa, wisdom para discern mo yung mga kalooban mo na galing mo kay Lord, and yung joy na na-enjoy nyo ni Atala sa pagtugtog nyo ng ukulele. So, have fun at enjoy mo yung special day mo on August 8. And syempre, sana madagdagan pa hanggang 80 dahil yun naman ang nakalaan para sa atin na sinabi ni Lord na hanggang 80 pwede pa, pero sana mas mahigitan mo pa yung 80 na yun. So, yun lang Kuya. Happy birthday, happy 70th birthday, and ingat ka palagi and enjoy your special day.
Happy birthday, Kuya Dan.
Okay, see you soon Kuya. Bye-bye. We love you.
Hi Kuya Dan, happy birthday. 70 ka na pala, but you are still looking young. We wish you good health, enjoy your life, and more blessing. Kailangan pa-travel lang habang malakas pa tayo. So, happy birthday and God bless all sa inyong lahat yan. Thank you.
Happy blessed 70th birthday, Kuya Dan. Kami ay natutuwa at nakaabot ka sa ganyang edad. At alam mo, ang tagumpay ng iyong pamilya ay tagumpay rin namin dito sa Pilipinas. Maraming salamat at patuloy kang gabayan at protektahan ng ating mahal na Panginoon.
Happy birthday Kuya Dan. Enjoy your special day, and we are thankful to the Lord kasi at this age of yours, na malakas ka pa rin. Nakikita namin nag-exercise ka and you're enjoying your life. So, just enjoy every moment with the Lord together with your family. Ingat po kayo lagi. God bless.
Bye, Kuya.